Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a website where you can make music visualizers for free without any limits. For those who don't know what a visualizer is, it's a way to bring your song to life. Nearly all song publishers use them. When the bass hits, you will see the bass frequency. When the hi-hat hits, you will see that as well. It is so cool to look at and it's so smooth. To do this, we need a website called musicwith.org. On this website, click Get Started, and here you can choose from the featured projects. If you see free, that means you can use it however you want, but for the ones that say attribution required, you can still use them, but only for personal purposes. By the way, there are more templates down here, as you can see. Now select whichever one you like. For example, I will select the Dark Nation one. First of all, you have to upload your audio to the website. Click the load file from computer. After you select your song, click open and your music will be uploaded. Then hit close. Now as you can see, we have a bunch of settings right here. You can adjust these settings however you want. For example, I will change the background. To do that, go to the background tab and then click change background image. Then hit load file from computer. Then select your background image. I will select this and hit open, and as you can see, our background image has changed. If you want to change the logo, go to the emblem tab and then click change image. Then load file from computer and then select your logo, then hit open. As you can see, logo has changed. By the way, this website is so detailed that I don't think I can explain every detail. That's why you have to look at yourself and change things to your liking. I will show you the important parts. By the way, this composition always opens in 720p. If you want to change that, go to settings and then render settings. After that, you can change the size. Click here and then you can change it to 1080p, and that's it. Then after adjusting the settings to your liking and wanting to download the video that you made, click export and then define the FPS. I recommend using 60 FPS, but it's your choice. You can pick whatever FPS you want, but I highly recommend using 60 FPS because it will be so smooth when 60 FPS. By the way, you can change the preset to ultra fast because it takes less time when rendering. You don't have to change any other settings and you are good to go. Now just click start encoding button and then hit export. When the video finishes, it will auto download it to your computer, but if it doesn't download, you can press the download button and that's it. I will put it at the end of the video. If you want to see what the end product looks like, you can watch from the end of the video. That's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you. Don't forget to subscribe and give a thumbs up to the video. Take care and I will see you in the next video.